Roy.
She said relax and keep doing it, but I had imagined I'd be rich. So what in the hell am I doing here? She said relax, baby relax, I swear to God you are doing well. She said relax, baby relax, I swear to God you are doing well. You're doing better than you think, but I know how you feel. You want everybody to see your dreams are becoming real. That's when I'm like, yeah, I'm looking at my bank and there is nothing here. And these rappers say that I failed and I ain't coming back. Nobody knows all the battles I've been through and all of my struggles, so fuck 'em. Nobody cares about me, so fuck 'em. Nobody calls me, nobody calls me. Nobody works my shit, and I like to apply tissue. Everybody looking out for their team, and they're like, hard work. I pause, hold that thought. She told me that I need to control my thoughts. Where you end up, it's nobody's fault. She told me if I need diamonds in my neck, must look into myself. Allow my old beliefs to change, and they will manifest. You won't believe me if I said this.
Say what?
I haven't been to work since, but I'm driving a Mercedes. My homies ask me if I'm rich yet, who cares? I'm happy. She said relax and keep doing it, but I had imagined I'd be rich. So what in the hell am I doing here? She said relax, baby relax, I swear to God you are doing well. She said relax, baby relax, I swear to God you are doing well. Let them bragga, let them bragga. I swear to God you are doing well. Let them bragga, baby bragga. When I relax, I so manifesta. Lizo fiki pleasure, now uzo flexa. Never through hard work, again tryna only pleasure. Manifest.
Okay, I want billion.
Manifest.
Okay, I want #1 we billboard.
Manifest.
Okay, I want this to cause us something to be known.
Manifest.
She said, baby, you're doing well.
I am that guy.
Which one?
That guy went gold on the first day, then died the next day in SA with AKA and everybody clapping their hands around me. Career homicide, I was killed. Dead. I was trying to be a bigger star, then the boys came and said, Tula, futsal. Back to the drawing board. Nahlala phansi ndakhanda bopizol. Tried to drop tracks like back to back, but none of those songs were popping off. Ooh. Check out Twitter no Facebook. I had fallen off. Time to face the facts and check the cash and make the cash back from all of y'all. But solo got and she's telling me never to work for the money. It's better to work on myself, and I never should blame anybody. Not King and Forbes. Solo got that life is about happiness, and you keep getting excellent things when you're happy and loving yourself. She's telling me don't chase off success. You manifest success. We crackling on the big perfect. This moment is perfect. This right now. This now is perfect. When I try to say miss, look, I'm trying to be rich. She say, why am I trying to be rich for? I should try to be me. Cause loving yourself only when you are rich is a concept that she doesn't know. Buying a lot of material things just to cover the wounds of the soul. You should love who you are. Not only love yourself when you're a superstar. Tend to win the better low line in the middle of the night when I'm up on Instagram, tryna check where Casper's at. Tickle do tangy bed. Back in the day I was waking up every morning and grinding cause I had a job and a salary coming. And there will be days I'll be sick to my stomach, but fuck it, I'm grinding, the salary's coming. But ended up battling heavy depression in 2011. I quit and I left my job. You won't believe me if I said this. I haven't been to work since, but I'm driving a Mercedes. Colleagues ask me if I'm rich yet, who cares? I'm happy right here where I am. Will I ever go back to work?